How to enable or disable hearing aid compatibility on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, tap on hearing aid support. Then at the top, tap on hearing aid compatibility. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Here's to adjust your phone's audio so it works better with hearing aids. For the phone app, you can also adjust the hearing aid compatibility. So open up the phone app, then tap on more, then tap on settings. And here tap on other call settings, and you can turn on hearing aid compatibility for the phone app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.